Welcome to the version of XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll here to the sounds and vibration section. The first here that you will see the notifications section, click here, and now just to change it you can swipe this, switch the droplets to the birds here sound, or just click here to more, and here you will see a lot of different notification sound, and you can select one from these sounds here. So and also you can here select the online ringtone or local ringtone, but how to do that, you should just find the another video on our HardReset YouTube channel. So here I'll show you just how to change the default notification sounds. Here we'll see the message that the sound applies successfully, and when we'll go back here we can see that we just changed successfully the notification sound on our device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.